For many tourists, Ibiza is the party destination of Spain. Since the arrival of the hippies, tourists have swept onto this Balearic island in search of peace, love, and of course, nightlife. But we're here to discover the other side of Ibiza, because today, tourists are beginning to expand their sights beyond the party scene. And in search of an experience far more authentic, they're turning to the region of Santa Eulàlia. An ecological haven where local traditions and nature thrive. With nearly 50 kilometers of coastlines, secluded beaches and coves, Santa Eulàlia is a hotspot for sports competitions, local gastronomy and authentic Ibizan culture. And if you're anything like Chica, finding great food when abroad is a top priority. And tourists in search of something new, tasty and local need to look no further than our first stop. By the coast of Poudeslleo is a restaurant that goes by the same name. And according to locals, it's one of the best places to eat fish on the island. We're about to meet the Guash family, starting with the chef's daughter and our first insider, Erica.
Oh, hey, chica.
How are you?
Buenos días. ¿Qué tal?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
Bien.
Hey.
Welcome to our traditional restaurant.
Traditional food.
Yes.
Okay.
We have been open 65 years now.
As a family-run restaurant?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
My grandmother started the restaurant and now my mom is following.
From grandmother to mother.
Yeah. Now the daughter.
Excellent.
The Peix is a traditional plate from here, from Ibiza.
Okay.
And it's really typical. You have to learn how to make it.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
It's one thing to taste great food, but it's even better learning how to cook it. So take notes as we learn how to prepare the traditional meal of Ibiza, Bullit Peix.
Hola, hola.
Hola. Hola.
She's my mom.
Mucho gusto.
Igualmente, ¿cómo está, chica? ¿Bien?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
¿Está bien?
Well, my Spanish and Catalan is a bit rusty, so while Chef Lali leads the way, Erica will translate and keep us on track.
Wow. We're going to be cooking this today, or?
Yes.
And this was called?
Today?
Today?
Today, yes.
Fresh?
Yes, totally fresh.
Did you catch it?
No, not me. So today we are going to cook the bouillie de pêche.
So everything on the table goes into the meal.
Yes.
Wow, it's a lot of ingredients.
Well, I'm already hungry, so let's take a closer look at what's on the menu.
Es roja. Roja es este.
Ah, I recognize.
Yes, this is the scorpion fish.
Scorpio fish, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Este pescado de aquí es gallo. Es este.
John Dory.
John Dory.
Este pescado de aquí es rape.
It's very like meaty, very meaty.
Yes, it's called anglerfish.
Y este, mi amigo,
Yeah, the big
Más
boy.
grande.
The big boy.
de Big Boy,
Big boy.
es el mero.
This is a
Okay.
grouper.
Is it like a tuna? Does it taste like tuna? Or?
No.
It's
no,
different,
no.
very
Totally different.
Okay.
Yes.
Of course, as locals, the family know how to check where each fish came from.
All the local products need to have one of those ones so that you can see all the fish is from here.
Right.
If it doesn't have it, that fish is not from Ibiza. And if it does, it is from Ibiza.
Okay.
So with the ingredients list ticked off, it's time to get the apron on and start making the magic.
I'm part of the family now.
Yes. Fantastic, ¿eh? Te quedó muy bien.
Hey. I'm ready.
Some oil.
Is this
Aceite.
olive oil or?
Olive oil.
Olive oil,
Yes.
okay.
Ahora,
So now we put some garlic.
Garlic, yeah. Oh, okay, I'll give it a stir.
These red peppers.
Stir,
yes.
okay.
Cebolla.
This onion.
Onions, yeah, okay.
You can't get more authentic than cooking on a wooden fire.
Tomatoes.
Tomate.
Tomatoes. It's so far so good.
Hay que dejar que se sofría 4 o 5 minutos.
4 or 5
4 or 5
minutes more or less.
La patata.
Potatoes. Smells very nice.
Bien. Ahora vamos a poner
Well, you don't know in English. Parsley.
Parsley.
Parsley. Okay, it's parsley.
This to give a little bit of color.
Color. Okay, it's a nice color.
It's natural. It's from a flower, from a plant.
Oh, really?
And it gives the color to the food because in Spain, we like, for example, for the paellas, we like yellow paellas.
Yes. And that's what gives.
So
is that what gives the
that's
color?
What gives the color
for
yes.
paella as well?
Yes, for paellas,
Oh, I
for the
didn't know-
rices, for the Bullit de Peix.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So we put some water. It has to be hot water.
And I can see that it's already giving it the color. I can see the color now.
Yeah, of course.
Now we let it boil for 20 minutes,
bien.
allowing the potatoes to soak up the herbaceous flavors.
So when you say 20 minutes, is it like timed on a clock?
She has been 35 years
Of course.
here cooking
of
the same
course.
plate. So just looking at the potatoes, she knows
She
if
knows when
it's
it's
ready
cooked.
or if it needs more time.
Right, okay.
So now we are going to put some salt to the fish,
Of course. You've got to season the fish, of course.
some more water so that we get more soup to make the rice, because the
course.
rice is the first plate of the Bullit de Peix.
So we let the fish simmer for 15 minutes and focus on preparing the rice. We start with a dash of olive oil and 2 more fish, sepia and crab.
This is lobster.
Here. No, it's crab also,
It's
but it's
crab.
bigger.
This is a big crab. I wouldn't want to see this crab alive. This is the liquid that was in here.
From the potatoes and the fish.
I feel like Gordon Ramsay.
So now we leave it here boiling for about 12-15 minutes,
15 minutes,
for the
okay.
rice to be cooked.
Okay.
And we start preparing the alioli, which is the sauce of the fish and the potatoes.
Oh, and it's made fresh. It's made from scratch.
Yes, we make
I
it by
see.
hand with garlic, oil, that's it.
But the one that I have is normally not made from scratch.
The one that you eat, it's a different one.
Oh, the one that I buy from the supermarket is not the
It's
same.
not the same one, no.
Oh, I see. This is stronger.
Yes.
Okay.
First, we add cloves of garlic and parsley.
And by hand.
They're really working me today.
Rápido,
Rapido.
And
This-
we add some olive oil.
rápido, rápido.
Rapido. What? I'm going as fast as I can. Muy bien.
Fantástico. Mira,
Finito.
Finito.
Wow. Okay.
So you have to put this on the side.
Oh, the-
only the liquid.
Only the liquid.
Al
Only
revés,
the liquid.
Al revés,
Oh,
al revés. No. Tú, only.
You have to hold here. She
Yes.
will put it.
Oh, I see. Like a sieve.
Yeah.
Like a sieve. Ah,
Exactly.
of course.
Rice.
He got it eventually.
Fantástico. Muy
Fantastic.
bien.
Fantastic. Muy bien. Okay.
Tienes que poner el aioli aquí.
Into here.
Cuando yo te diga.
Yeah.
This is the soup from the fish.
Un poco.
Now the alioli, we put it on top of the fish and the potatoes.
This is real cooking. This is not microwave. This is not
No.
simple. This is
Everything
real
from
cooking.
beginning to
Everything
finish.
from scratch.
Chef Laddie carefully serves the fish, showing how they traditionally lay it out on a plate.
It smells so nice. Like I could get the flavors, the spices. I could really pick up the parsley. It's really nice. Keep it nice and neat, tidy. Okay, rice is ready.
So
This is for one person? It's a lot of food. All the way to the bottom?
Es hot,
all
¿eh?
the way to the bottom.
Quema.
All the way to the bottom. Wow. This is, there's a lot of fish in here. Like this?
Sí.
Side.
It smells delicious. Oh yeah, I can't leave the crabs. Oh, it goes on here.
¿Quieres probar?
You have to try the food.
Oh, I have to try it. Oh, of
You
course,
have
of
to
course.
try what you have prepared.
It's hot. It looks hot though.
Sí.
It's
Oh.
The moment of culinary truth.
Delicious. Delicious. I like it. I love the sauce.
¿Tu pescado?
Where do I start? Let me just have a little bit of potato. Let me try some fish. Oh, this looks lovely. Your mum is an amazing cook.
And you too?
Fantástico
Me too.
instante.
I can't wait to go home and try this at home. You know, now that I know how to make it. It may not look as good as this. The aioli, the rice, this sauce is delicious. This is typical Ibiza cuisine.
And there we have it. Chica's learned how to prepare a traditional meal under the guiding hands of Erica and Chef Lally. If you want to try a bite, plan ahead and reserve a table before you arrive, especially in high season. And choose where you want to enjoy your meal, in their beautiful garden or down by the sea in their little chiringuita. But to try the whole menu, you'll need to visit at least a few times, so you may as well book your stay at their hotel just next door. Either way, Restaurant Poudeslleo is the authentic taste of Ibiza you've been waiting to try. To find out more about Poudeslleo and to start planning your next trip, visit travu.com. Hasta luego from the region of Santa Eulàlia on the beautiful island of Ibiza.
So he's my father-in-law, Victor.
Your brother-in-law?
He's
Oh, you said father. That's what I thought. I thought she said father-in-law.